but also we create jobs across the country.
Others say we have to reduce vehicle use and encourage walking and cycling. These are big challenges to make the capital's transport greener. Tom Edwards, BBC London.
And everything you need to know about the expansion of ULEZ from Monday is in one place, and that's on our website. It's been written by our correspondent.
This is a message from the BBC. A several purge has hit central London. The Underground is suspended under further notice. As it's too late to travel, do not travel to airport or train station. You can view the BBC News via the television, radio, internet, SMS or the BBC website. Land borders will be closed by the Queen. You can't exit the country. Collect food, water and clothes. Do not get online food. Meet your friend or lover too bad. Purged. The affected areas will be London, Birmingham, Leeds, Manchester, Dover, Glasgow, Edinburgh, Cardiff, Belfast and Dundee areas. We declare this a national alert due to 20 to 22 million people died in the purge in the UK. The BBC is also in critical danger. There is no escape. Your pets must be euthanized or sacrificed. Take the pet's corpse into the blanket. This is a serious problem for the UK's population. United Kingdom is now about to extinct. Over 40 million people died. London, Glasgow and Manchester ceased to exist. The only remaining cities is only to survive. Sadly, you can't survive. Commit suicide for a slow death. Don't do that when you have parents, friends or lovers. The great crisis has begun and they cause to fall into anarchy. Thank you for supporting the BBC as the United Kingdom is near extinction. This is the final message to the BBC. This is the final broadcasting of the BBC. The final cities destroyed is Leeds, Cardiff, Swansea, Belfast, Dundee, Edinburgh, Newcastle upon Tyne.